Jambo, and welcome to this tutorial series where we'll be speaking about Excel shortcuts. So basically, what are Excel shortcuts? These are keyboard shortcuts which you use in a day-to-day basis to shorten your time that you use to manage different data types in Microsoft Excel. So it's just a quicker way. Instead of just going to File, Save, you just click on Control S. Now I've seen different types of tutorials passing through all the multitude of keyboard shortcuts, but I'm not going to do that. Now that you understand why keyboard shortcuts are important, I'm going to show you a resource on how to get it, or how to, anytime you want a keyboard shortcut, you can create one, but you also have an official repository on where you can find the different types of shortcuts that already ship with Excel before you creating any additional one that you need. Situations might exist, but rarely will you find that you need to create a keyboard shortcut. Though I'm going to show you how to create shortcuts later in the series, like when we are creating macros and etc. So if you go to Google and just Google this exact words, keyboard shortcuts in Excel, you're going to have this Microsoft support. I'm using Microsoft support website because officially Excel is created by Microsoft, so better we use the official channels. Depending on your internet connectivity, mine is a bit slow today, but you get all these things. So the keyboard shortcuts are different for Windows and Mac OS, but this is how you access them. Like to close a workbook, Control W. To save a workbook is Control S, but this is in Windows. If I show you here, it's in Windows. If you go to Mac OS, let's see, go to Mac OS and see what save is. For saving a workbook, you see, Control S, while in Windows it was Control S, you see. So Google those exact words, and to show you that it actually works, one of the commands, the keyboard shortcuts for save as in Windows is Control Shift S, in MacBook is Command Shift S. If I click on that, it asks me, what do you want to save it as? Okay, so that's how you deal with the keyboard shortcuts. I hope you'll be able to pass through it as you nurture your skills in Microsoft Excel. Remember, you cannot cram all this or memorize all these keyboard shortcuts. From time to time it just sticks to memory, and find the proper usage of these shortcuts. See you in the next tutorial. We'll be speaking about entering data and highlighting cells. See you then. Bye.